Good everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we're talking about an absolutely incredible opportunity for you to make a good amount of money right now, and this is super easy to claim. All you have to do is go to Zalman.net, and that's Zalman.net. If you're not sure, check out the description because I will have it linked down below, so go and check it out. Now guys, this is the monthly XRP release where they give up to 10% back to holders, which is absolutely insane. Now, like I said, super simple, and once you're on the website, feel free to kind of read through it. It will explain in a bit more detail than me, but essentially this works in a two-step voting. Once you first will connect the wallet where you will set up a trusted line, and then you will confirm that you are holding XRP, XRPL, or that you've interacted with it in the past through a voting system. On the Zalman app. Now, once this is verified, you will get up to 10% back, guys, of your all-time high value that you had on the XRP or XRPL chain once this is confirmed. So yes, you will essentially go and start voting, and it'll connect you with your Zalman, your Wallet Connect, Ledger, MetaMask, etc. Make sure you connect with all the wallets that you've used in the past for XRP and XRPL, as well as certain ETH memes. So go and check it out. Like I said, a lot of times you're eligible for a bunch of these, so do not miss out on this. I really think that we are in a really good opportunity at the market. As you can see, Bitcoin's still hovering between the 87 to 80k, 78 to 80k mark. And once we kind of move past that, I do think we will get a pretty decent run. We are so close to the launch of the Genius Act. And I do think that this will really fund on the market, as a lot of people have been waiting on it. As you can see, everything else is kind of just waiting on Bitcoin. XRP is up 30% on the 7-day weekly average. But like I said, obviously waiting. We are finally in a neutral base on the fear and greed, the altcoin season, and the RSI is completely oversold. So as we are heading over here, this is a really good opportunity. This is one of you be buying, DCAing, claiming airdrops, those kind of things, because they just essentially mean that they will be worth so much more when we kind of get around to 20%, 30%, 50%. I do think that in the shorter term, if we do get some clearness in the market, some clarity on that, and Bitcoin reaches above 80, that these kind of bigger altcoins will start moving. As you can see, BNB and XRP are kind of the standouts, so I do think that they will be retesting their all-time highs very soon. We're about a 2x away from XRP's all-time high, but do not be discouraged, guys. Like, this is where it was marked for years, being told it was dead, and then it had this super explosive run. And I do feel like with everything happening in terms of the US and the Clarity Act and the markets, that XRP is due for another explosive move to the upside of around $3, which would take it to a 2x from here, maybe even 4, but that would be more like over the summer if we continue seeing positive movements in the market. So like I said, guys, this is now the time that you want to be checking this out. This differs on a month-to-month basis. It's only temporarily, so this is not something you'll be necessarily able to claim back at this rate of 10% in the next coming months. So go and check it out. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.